Okay, here we are. We're rolling now. So tell me, what are you going to show me?
This is a piece of paper that says MAS on it. This is the Maratac MAS. It's a micro adhesive strobe.
Okay.
So these are small strobe
Little silver
modules that are about the size of a
dog tag. Yeah.
Like a dog tag, exactly. And they're encapsulated in a waterproof.
Heavy vinyl?
Yeah, it's like a heavy vinyl, a waterproof bag, basically, and then it's heat sealed. And believe it or not, they're depth rated to 500 feet.
Wow,
And
NSN
actually,
number, 500 feet.
They have a national stock number, and they're listed. They come in a pack of 3. There's a red, a green, and a white. And let's go through.
Tell me about this.
So here's grab the green one. So they have 3 modes of operation: a fast strobe, a slow strobe, and a steady on.
Okay, so show me.
So remember, up to 200 hours. So here we go.
200 hours on
the
this.
little green one here designates green.
Okay.
And it's a little click switch.
Oh, shoot.
And it is
You surprised me,
bright
yes.
as hell. I mean, here it
Heck,
is from
yeah.
a foot from my... So then go to slow strobe.
Slow strobe, okay.
And then steady on.
And steady
There it
on.
is.
My God.
Super bright.
And we're in a well-lit office.
Yeah, so the background is a reflective material that causes it to reflect back.
Makes sense.
So they're visible for up to 2 miles and 3 miles from the air, which is pretty cool. So
so they're going to be like right up, perfect for my bike helmet.
Yeah, and they come packed in a little carton here like that. And let's go through. Here's a red one.
Okay, tell me about the red one.
A red one,
But same thing, just
same
red.
Same thing, just red. And the cool thing is they have a adhesive strip in the back with an easy pull, so you could stick this to something,
You can mark mailboxes and all kinds of stuff.
Exactly.
Okay, I need to go back to this place. And
Again, they have a cage code. They have the national stock numbers are listed here.
government tested and approved.
Yep. They're very cool. There's a pack of 3. Again, 200 hours. They weigh 0.15 ounces, so they basically weigh nothing. They're very light.
Okay.
What else can I tell you?
Do Navy SEALs use these?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
I'm sure, if they have a national stock number, they probably are, or they're available.
Do you have to be a Navy SEAL to order from us?
You could. I don't want to say that because there's a lot of people doing weird things. But
A lot of people doing weird
awesome.
things.
So I was with at a concert with my girlfriend, and I gave her one. I said, "Hey, use this green one because this green one's pretty bright." So I could see her from pretty far across the arena. Actually, we were at the Greek Theater. Very easy to see. I was impressed how bright it was.
Was there a joke there with the Greek Theater?
No, it was at the Greek Theater.
Okay.
We saw Robert Plant.
Okay.
Anyway,
is he still alive?
He is, yes, of course, and doing quite well.
Okay.
Anyway, so 3 modes: fast strobe, slow strobe, and steady on. There he goes: fast, slow, steady on. Oh, let's go do the
Very
white
bright.
one here. Here's the
Okay.
white one:
Okay.
slow and steady on. So lithium batteries, 10-year shelf life.
Oh, okay.
So they come packed in a 3-pack. They're awesome. So again, size of here's all 3 on the palm of my hand.
And we already have an NSN, so we're good to go.
Good to go. So I would. This is a nice. I guess you could put this in your. If you were on the side of the road and stranded or something, green flashing light. Hey, I'm the guy with the green flashing light, or the woman with the green flashing light. I need help. That's pretty cool. These
Okay.
are like personal strobes.
What happens if you put the red one out?
I wouldn't do that unless it's really an emergency. Okay, thanks for watching.